Another adjective category is indefinite. Indefinite adjectives. Again, the adjective must come before a noun. It must modify or describe a noun. Day is a thing. So here's our noun. We have people. We can touch cars. We have information. All these are the nouns. Cats are something we can touch. Countries are places. Schools are places. Now we've got indefinite adjectives. Don't really specify which day or a specific day. So this is the adjective. Each day, few people, many cars. We don't know how many. It's indefinite. Much information, adjective. But we don't exactly have a lot of information about the information. Most cats. These indefinite adjectives are kind of hedging words. If you weren't really sure of some of the facts, if you were writing an extemporaneous paragraph, or let's say you were doing an essay for social studies or something like that, and you didn't know which countries were had a gross national product over $13 billion. So you instead of naming them off, you could use an indefinite adjective and just say several. So these are all of the adjectives that do not specifically tell you. They generalize. It's a generalized indefinite pronouns, but indefinite adjectives, but they come before a noun or a pronoun. Indefinite adjectives. You find adjectives before nouns. So if you're ever unsure of yourself, what part of speech it is, finding your nouns is really imperative in a sentence. So you can then decide what would be likely if you're unsure of what exactly it is from the get-go. Interrogative adjectives are adjectives that come right before nouns or pronouns, and they are questioning, they're asking. What homework? Homework would be our noun, and what is an interrogative adjective? Book bag. Whose book bag? Whose book bag is in the driveway? Book bag is a thing, we can touch it. Whose is asking what book bag, which book bag? Whose book bag is this? It is an adjective, an interrogative adjective, because it's asking a question. Which shirt do you want me to wear tonight, Mom? Okay, shirt is something you can touch. It is a noun. Which is referring to the variety of shirt choices. Which is an interrogative adjective. There's a question involved with all of those. An interrogative asks a question. Interrogative adjectives precede nouns or pronouns.